All right, we're gonna demo the AX4 programming. So to get started on any kind of program adjustments, you have to unlock in parameter screen 2, come down to program lock, change the 1 to a 0, enter. Get back to your home screen. Now we can modify the program. We're going to create a new one here. We're going to go 1 for additive or incremental. We're going to move 90 degrees. Sorry, got to hit enter. 90 degrees. Speeds in the parameters, loop it. We're going to loop it 3 times. We're going to do incremental again. We're going to go 90 the other way, so we'll hit the negative 90. Enter, enter. We're going to loop this one 3 times. All right, so we'll run this. Go source back to your home screen and hit start. 2, 3, now the other way. And I think it's looping. So there you have it. Very easy to do, very straightforward. Just a 5-sheet little instructions and we're good to go.